What's up, BROCHIKAS? Sorry that this shot is gonna be ruined because I'm wearing my bright ass work shirt, but oh my gosh, I need to stop swearing. I'm gonna try to work on not swearing so much. I'm gonna say like fake swear words. But anyways, I did want to show you before I go to work some things I found from Ross. So you know how there's like this huge like thing going around YouTube where they're like, oh my God, Ross, crazy, insane clearance, 49-cent bags, purses, shoes, clothes. Well, I'll tell you what, I've been going to Ross to see if there's anything. I went Monday and then I went today. And I did find a few things that were like really discounted. And I was like, well, that's pretty cool. But like, to be honest with you, if you thought you were going to go and find some like brand name purses for 49 cents and some Michael Kors and Steve Madden stuff for 49 cents, you're sadly mistaken. Unless they're keeping it and holding it all in the back and waiting to put it all out, I don't see anything really exciting. So unless you needed to find some stuff anyways from Ross and you were gonna go anyways to Ross, I don't think there's any need to run. And I just wanted to let y'all know that because I love Ross anyways. I always shop there anyways, and when they have clearance, it's usually pretty good anyways, so I go there all the time. But I wouldn't run thinking I was gonna find all these great things for 49 cents. So I just wanted to knock that little rumor down for you and let you know the truth. At least at the Ross's in my area, nothing's really popping in there. But I did find a few things that were really discounted. It's just nothing like, you know, like I saw a video where this lady found sorry, my house is a mess. This lady found a Steve Madden purse for 49 cents. I haven't found anything for 49 cents at all. The cheapest I found is 99 cents. I didn't buy it, but it was just like a little summer tank top. It was not cute at all. So yeah, it was 99 cents. But I did find something that was $1.49, and I did buy it because it was worth it. I'm not gonna, remember how I told you guys, I'm trying not to just buy things just because they're cheap. I'm gonna buy them because I think they're nice. So I did find this Anne Klein blouse for $1.49. Unfortunately, she took the tag off because it is final sale for the things that are that cheap. But it does say it on here. Yeah, so it does say it right here. It says $1.49. It doesn't even say Anne Klein. It says Rainforest Solid, which doesn't make any sense, but it was $1.49. It did have a tag and she took it off. So I'm going to try to show you guys what it looks like. It's not something that I would typically gravitate towards, but I recently decided I need to get more flowy tops that don't make me feel like I have to wear all this shapewear and whatever, which shapewear is fine and I'm down for shapewear sometimes, but sometimes you just want to be freaking comfortable and you want to feel good in your own body, in your own thickness, in your own chunkiness, and you want to just accept yourself. And I'm really trying to work on accepting my body, and I don't think that tight clothes are helping me do that. So I wanted to get more flowy shirts that wouldn't show my rolls and my back fat and stuff like that. So like I said, she took the tag off, but here's the brand, Anne Klein. This was the only one I found, so it's a size large. There's even like the little plastic on that zipper thing, and it's got like this little light mauvey pink and then this glitter pink on it, and it's a navy blue base. So it's got a little zip here and pretend pockets. And it's just one of those loosey-goosey flowy shirts that you can wear with leggings or skinny jeans. And it looks really cute when you tuck it in to the front of the pants. It's actually really cute on. I just tried it on. I'll insert a picture because I know it's really hard to see the piece like this. But this is a really good brand. Like, this is quality material, and that is why I picked it up, because this is like a very quality piece. It's not like a piece of crap, because I'll be honest with you, some of the stuff in the junior section is crap. So yes, it will be $1, but it's crap. And you're gonna wear it one time, you're gonna wash it, and it's gonna shrink. It's not gonna fit anymore. So this is a nice quality piece. I was like, Anne Klein for $1.49, I will pick it up. And I tried it on and I really like the way it looks. It covers my back fat and it's like goes over the butt. It just lays really nicely on my body and it makes me love my curves versus wishing I had a different body. And that's what I'm trying to do nowadays. So yeah, I'll insert that picture of you of the whole outfit I put together so you can really grasp it. And then the next sale item I found was this pink sweatshirt. And this isn't anything special, you know what I mean? It's just a pink comfy sweatshirt. I just don't have enough comfy stuff. This is actually an extra large, so it is like oversized on me, but that's okay because I just kind of wanted it because it's like the softest material. It really is the softest material, guys. Oh my gosh. This is just nice to throw on with some leggings if I'm lazy and I don't want to get dressed up, but I want to be comfortable, and you can never go wrong with that. And this, guys, they left the tag on. So this was $2.49. So I'm not really sure why they took the tag off the Anne Klein because it was on there. But yeah, this was $2.49. You can see at the top. And then right under it was the Anne Klein. So yep, $2.49 is pretty good. It was originally 11 bucks, and I've been wanting one of these fuzzy things forever, but I didn't really want to pay full price. Even though 10 bucks is cheap, I was like, yeah, no, that's not really like a key piece. That's just kind of like a extra, like you don't need it. So for $2.49, I was like, let's go ahead and do it. And the last thing I picked up was not a sale item, but it was such a good price anyways. So I know this looks really crazy right now. I know this looks really, really crazy. Like, Christian, you went from 30 to 50. I know. Just like, hold on a second. Hold on a second. So I got in a large, and it was $11.99, which is really not that bad. It's got like half sleeves with these little flutteries on them, and it's got this tie in the middle, and it's kind of peplumy and flowy in this area and then tight right here. So my thinking is it's flowy where I need it to hide my back fat and my bra fat, which I love. It's tight on my arms so that it doesn't look like I have huge arms, which I love. And then it's tight around the smallest part of my waist to give me my hourglass shape, which I love. And this little tie thing, it hides your fupa. And guys, this just does all the right things for my body. Now, is it my favorite pattern in the world? No, but I did put an outfit together, and I will insert a picture for you guys so you can grasp it. I'm gonna be taking this with me to Orlando because I just really liked the way it looked. So I don't know, this just made me feel beautiful in my own skin. And I was like, you know, that's the goal. It's making me feel beautiful in my own skin. I'm gonna buy it. These are colors that are like so crazy and random and I would never pick, but sometimes you gotta just get outside your box, you know? Like, I do like more plain colors, but like, I really, really like the shape of my body when I wear those shirts, so that is priceless, okay? That's priceless, guys. So that was my little Ross haul for you, but I did want to tell you, like, it's really nothing that special, this sale, because everybody probably knows about it, so they already went and scooped everything up. And I guess Mondays are the markdown days, so they say to go on Monday in the morning, and I did go on Monday in the morning, and there still wasn't really anything exciting. I did get hubby a Calvin Klein shirt, and this was $2.99. And I don't know if this was on sale because it has this white tag, but I would assume it's on sale because $2.99 for Calvin Klein, I don't know. See, Calvin Klein, it's just a white V-neck. He just needed a fresh white V-neck, so I got him that. But that was my Ross haul. They had a few other shirts I saw for $1.49, but they were not really cute. And then there was a lot of shirts for $4, and some of them are cute. So like, but I think that's regular clearance. That's nothing to write home about. I'm pretty sure the only thing to write home about is this Anne Klein for $1.49. That was a steal because I checked the whole thing and there's no rips and there's no tears and there's no stains. So that was a steal. But other than that, the junior section, a lot of it is not very good quality. This is from the women's section, and I never shop in the women's. I always shop in like the juniors. But, you know, the women's has higher quality and it's more flattering to my figure and my age. And we're just getting older, girls. We're getting older. But anyways, we're still gonna be cute AF, right? We're still gonna be cute. Like, I don't care. You could see that shirt and be like, that's a grandma shirt. But once I put it on with my makeup and like lashes and my hair, you're not gonna think it's a grandma shirt, trust me. Thank you guys for watching this little mini haul. And yeah, you can check out your Ross if you wanna check out your Ross. If you find awesome stuff, girl, let me know, because mine, there was really nothing. And there was no shoes on sale either. No purses on sale. So I was pretty disappointed. But anyways, I will be sure to see you guys later. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.